And ground, it's Charlie Fox, Victor Alpha X-ray looking for that clearance, and we're just holding short of runway 35 at Bravo.
Victor Alpha X-ray, grounded clear to the Lethbridge Airport via Red Deer 2 departure. Flight plan route, depart runway 35, squawk 4241.
It's Victor Alpha X-ray clear to the Lethbridge Airport, Red Deer 2 departure, flight plan route, depart runway 35, squawk 4241. Victor Alpha X-ray.
Victor Alpha X-ray, ground read back correct. Contact me on tower 1185, ready to go.
And for those of you that are completely lost, wondering where the heck we are, let me show you on the Garmin Pilot app. We're actually in Red Deer, Alberta, and this is the departure procedure. Pretty simple. We're going to climb, maintain 6,000 feet, runway heading. You can see for the different runways, we have the different departure procedure instructions, as well as our comm failure instructions.
Roger, 185, ready to go. Picked up actually. All right, we're going to switch over to that now. 132.85 is our departure frequency. Pull our V-bars up here. Runway heading, let's enter this here. And we have, okay, run-up's done, flight director set, auto feathers armed, flight controls free, correct, we already did that, caution lights. Good takeoff briefings, we're going to do normal takeoff, abort below 80 knots for any lights, anything above that's going to be critical, control problems, engine fire, engine failure, until we're rotation, and then we'll clean the airplane up and fly the airplane. Rotation speed today is going to be 100 knots, everybody. And we do have a little bit of wind from the left side here, so we're going to have a crosswind takeoff. And we should be good to go. Everything's looking good. We're going to do our last float checks here. That's coming on. That's good. That's good. Pressurization is set. And we'll bring that bleed air on. Engine instruments all look good. Gear is down and locked. Flaps are up and indicating. Everything here is looking good. I'm just going to pull these out a little bit more for the passenger in the back. All right, and our time is 21:00. And Red Deer Tower, Victor Alpha X-ray, we're ready to go. Runway 35 at Bravo.
Foster Victor Alpha X-ray, tower, contact Edmonton Sensor 13285, airborne, wind 260 at 10, clear takeoff runway 35, good day.
So clear takeoff runway 35 and 3285 airborne. Victor Alpha X-ray, thank you. All right. 21:01 for it's looking good. Transponder will come on automatically on the takeoff roll. We're cleared to the left, cleared to the right. Everything else is looking good. Lights, camera, action. Alright, we're just gonna roll a little ahead here. Tighten up our friction lock. A little bit of power. Long runway here. Alright, let these engines spool up. And there's full power. Power set. Airspeed's alive. 80 knots. 90 knots. And there's 100. Rotate. Alright, pause the rate, tap the brakes, gears coming up. High pressure lights on, unlock lights on, lights are out, gears up. A little bit of right rudder trim there. And we're going to aim for about 150 knots, that should give us about 2,000 feet per minute. And we'll switch over here. Edmonton Center, it's Charlie Fox, Victor Alpha X-ray with you, 13285, and we're through 4,000 feet now off of Red Deer.
Fox, Victor Alpha X-ray, Edmonton Center, good day, identified. You cleared right turn direct to Burco on course, climb 9,000.
Right turn direct Burco on course and 9,000, Victor Alpha X-ray.
Show 185, requesting 200.
Right 185, descend flight level 200.
Flight level 200, show 185.
Alright, there's our right turn to Burco. Turn the taxi light off. Cabin is climbing good. We're just going to hand fly the airplane for now.
Center from North 722, do you have any rides towards our direction?
Actually, don't have anything recent going in that direction.
And
Center 722, check.
Alright, we're going to be expecting about 50 knot winds at our destination airport. So that'll probably be another video. Should be interesting, should be fun. Landing at Lethbridge, Alberta. It's always windy there, but today's exceptionally windy. Talking 50 plus knots at the airport, so it's going to be a windy, bumpy landing. But right now we got fairly smooth conditions, despite the severe turbulence that was forecast here. We're on our way up to 9,000 feet right now through 7,200. Everything's looking good. We've been having issues with this ITT gauge here, and we're pretty confident it's one of the ITT probes. We've done a lot of testing over the last year or so, and it seems to indicate that that is the problem. So it's running, showing a little bit hot, but it will come back down. We're through 1,000 feet to go, and about 2,100 feet per minute, which is good.
Victor Alpha X-ray, climb flight level 190.
Flight level 190, Victor Alpha X-ray, thanks.
Alright, flight level 190.
Flight 1717 for now, descend flight level 200.
200 for now, clear.
And I'm just going to center the heading bug, turn the autopilot on. There we go. 190.
Question 185, contact Vancouver Center now, 13235. Okay.
Sorry, 13235.
Alright, autopilot's on. It's looking pretty good.
I would say 210 and 200, almost smooth. On that way.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, takeoff landing gears up, flaps are up, engine gauges are looking good, and let's hear panels black. Pressurization is good. Climbing 500 feet per minute. Landing lights, everything's off. Prop sync is off. 1,000 foot checks, pressurization lights, ITT. Everything's looking good. Next is our cruise checks. 18,000 foot checks and our cruise checks.
778, and we'll pick up Yankee, flare 802.
302, right, and right,